When PaTMa Property Manager is in its agent mode, so when the agent features have been specifically switched on, then there are a few branding options available. There are branding options available for tenant emails and for the tenant portal, which is the same as for Property Manager being used in a landlord setup. But there are also branding options that get used for landlord contacts, so specifically landlord statements that get produced as part of a landlord account that might be used or might be tracked within the system. These can be configured in your profile, which is accessed through the avatar menu in the top right-hand corner. And then you've got two sections that are used for this. One is branding, and here specifically the logo that you upload will be used and included in the landlord statements that get produced, but also under agent, the details that get shown on that statement as well for your company and contact details and address and so on that are included in those statements. So you need to configure both of those, and they will be pulled through into landlord statements when you create them within the landlord account section of Property Manager.